let me show you how to build a rolling 12-month financial analysis workbook. Okay, I've got an Excel spreadsheet here with monthly financial information. This is my monthly P&L, and I've got January 2022 to December 2023, right? So I've got 24 months of data here. These are all monthly financials. But a single month is can be pretty inaccurate, right? I mean, it's not going to tell me a lot about my business in the context of a full year performance. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to copy all of these cells, all of these columns. I'm going to paste them over here to the side. And I'm going to add what's called a rolling 12-month analysis to this, where every column represents a full 12 months of financial data. Now, my first 12-month period ends December 2022, so I guess I can get rid of all of these previous months. Now I'm in December 2022. I'm just going to sum up the 12 months of information from January 2022 to December 2022. Okay, so there we go. I've got my first 12 months, right? $1.4 million of website sales. Actually, to make this a little bit easier, let's freeze this pane. Okay, so there we go. I've got my first 12 months of information in December of 2022. And now I can copy that all the way over through December of 23. All right, so now if I drill down into any of these cells, so here's February of 2023, that's going to give me the 12-month period ending February 2023. And in March, it's going to give me the 12 months ending March 2023. So I'm getting a full 12 months of information, and I can just copy this down into each area. And we'll get rid of these error messages here in a moment. Okay. So let's just copy this. All right, the formatting is copied. There we go. So now I can hide everything else that we were looking at before. Let's get rid of this clunky, unhelpful monthly view. Now what I'm seeing here in each column is a full 12 months of information, right? So it's like I don't even have to wait until the end of the year to get a full year's view on my business. And I can spot trends really quick, right? So I can see here my revenue has been steadily climbing, right? Steadily climbing through December 2023. My gross profit has been relatively flat. So my gross margins must be coming down over this period of time because I've got flat gross profit, revenue's up, and now I can get a full 12 months view of each of my operating lines, right? So this would help me to identify trends, both good and bad, right? So here's one line item that jumps out to me right away. My rent, 12 months worth of rent as of December 2022 is $107,500, climbed to $159,000 at the end of 2023. Did I add a new facility, right? Did I move into a new space? Did I open new store locations? I've got store sales and my stores are up, right? So maybe I've incurred more there. I can see my wages are up. I can see my overhead costs are up, and I can see my marketing costs are relatively flat. So this is just a good way where the preceding month drops off and the new month comes on. You get this full yearly view of your business to say, you know, am I hitting my profit target for the full year? And if not, what do I need to do? What do I need to do to solve that? So for this particular business, there's probably some work to be done on the margin side. And then there's probably some work to be done on the cost side, right? They can either fix their gross margins and grow into the size of the business, or they can cut back on expenses to hit their desired level of profitability. So this is the rolling 12-month analysis and a quick way to pull that workbook together in Excel.